This one.
I want it.
Do you want a treat?
You can help.
Okay.
Get it in there. What's under there? It's a Cheerio.
Oh my gosh, he really is swine.
He
really wants it. Here, Lewis.
Someone get it for him.
Lewis. Where is it?
Let me try this.
There it is.
Really?
Take the treat.
This is what he wanted. Alright, stay. Stay.
So.
Stay. Stay. No.
No.
Just give it to him. He almost broke his back trying to get it.
No,
Can I
he
catch
lost it.
It's right here, Louie. Louis. Louis.
It's right in your hand. Over there.
Louis.
Poor confused beast.
Louis. Are you deaf? Because I think you are. Louis, cheese?
Right here.